Mavado lashes out at his son's murder conviction.
Can't take the visa, them can't do no sanction. No, everywhere me go, I stand.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Viewers, dancehall DJ Mavado, given name David Brooks, has lashed out against the decision of Justice Leighton Pusey for finding his son Dante Brooks guilty for the 2018 murder of Lorenzo Thomas in Cassava Peace, St. Andrew. In a lengthy post on his Instagram page on Wednesday the 3rd of February, Mavado accused the main witness in the trial of changing his statement 4 times and giving the court information which is false. According to Mavado, the witness said he feared for his life due to the actions of the police. The entertainer also alleged that the investigation surrounding his son was also corrupt. In lamenting the verdict, which has resulted in his 18-year-old son facing the likelihood of a protracted prison sentence, the artist questioned why the main witness gave 14 pages of statements to the police despite allegedly fearing for his life. The main witness in the case was the father of the deceased. In handing down the guilty verdict, Justice Pusey had found that the main witness presented himself as a witness of truth. Now, during his expletive-laden tirade, Mavado also attacked the police for what he says was their move to arrest 5 members of his family at his home in Norbrook when the murder probe into his son began. The artist noted that 2 members of his family lost their jobs because they were remanded in custody for days and were later released without charge. At the end of his social media post, Mavado vowed to fight for justice for both his son and his co-accused Andre Hines. The entertainer also expressed gratitude to his fans for reaching out to him in what he described as a terrible time. Lorenzo Thomas, who was also called Israel or Chulups, was shot dead in Cassava Peace on the 5th of June 2018. Dante Brooks and Hines were subsequently charged with murder and were alleged to be among 5 men who entered the house and shot Thomas before pushing his father into another room. Thomas's murderers allegedly attempted to sever his head, but failed because the machete was too dull. Both men are accused of then pouring gasoline on the house in which Thomas's body was and setting it ablaze. Brooks and Hines are to be sentenced on the 10th of March.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!